Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can share your internet with any device in Windows 7. I promised you for some time now to do this, but in the end it's better late than never. So first thing you're going to do is go to the taskbar, open Network and Sharing Center, and here's where all the magic happens. We have Control Panel Home, Manage Wireless Networks, Change Adapter Settings and Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now, the only thing interesting at the moment is Manage Wireless Networks. Click once on it and then click once on Add. Okay, Windows 7 here is pretty fancy, gives us Create an Ad Hoc Network. So okay, click this, simple introduction screen, click Next. Now it's going to ask you for a network name. Now you can name it anything you want. I'm just going to call it Home. Security type, none. So click Save this network and click Next. Okay, this is done. Close. Okay, here we have our little ad hoc network represented by the little screens. Go back. Once we have done this, we go to Change Adapter Settings, and here we have the different connections of your computer. That is different from each computer to each, but if you don't have two connections, it's not going to work. You can do this with wireless, you can do this with cable, you just have to change the configurations a little bit. So in my case, the internet connection is going to come from the local area connection. So first thing is going to do, right click on that, Properties, and select Sharing. Now here we have Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connections. Select this and the next box uncheck. Click OK and go right over to Wireless Network Connection. Go right click, Properties, and to Internet Protocol version 4. Again, Now this is where you have to do a little bit number work, but I think you're going to be able to handle it. Now, use the following IP address. Click in the IP address field and enter 192.168.0 and 1. Now this gives it a specific number in the network. Click right down to the subnet mask. This is going to appear automatically. You just have to check that it's the same on both computers. Now, the last fields you're going to leave empty. Go OK and close. Now the first computer is set up to work. Okay, before you head over to the other PlayStation, PSP, computer, whatever you want to connect, go down and check if your wireless network is still waiting for users. If not, click Connect. I can do that right now because, well, I need the interconnection to show you something else. Now, we still need the DNS server address of your internet provider. In order to find that out, we need to click on Start. Enter the search command prompt. Now Programs, command prompt, open it, and in the window that opens, enter ipconfig/all. Okay, this is going to give you all your network configurations, and you're going to search for your DNS servers. Preferably it's two addresses. So write them down, you're going to need them for the other computer, PSP, PlayStation 3, they all need it in order to connect to the internet. So, shut that down and go to the other computer. On the other computer you just have to make sure that your wireless connection is actually going to connect properly. We can't trust that with Windows. So go right click on Wireless Network Connection, go Properties, and select Internet Protocol version 4. Again, properties. Now same window as before, but we're going to fill out a little bit more. Now use the following IP address. IP address this time is going to be 192.168.0.2. The subnet mask is going to fill in automatically. You can also add various devices more, you just have to increase the number, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. Well, the default gateway is always going to be the same. It's 192.168.0.1, the computer that has the internet connection. Now, in the fields down below, we have the DNS server address. Now, here we have to enter the numbers I wanted you to write down before. If you haven't, go check them out, and please don't write them down for me. Once you have done this, click OK, close, and simply go to your network connections down in the taskbar and select your ad hoc network, connect. That's all you have to do in order to share your internet with any laptop, any PSP. The configurations you have, you just have to search in the different menus of the devices. I can help you with that since I don't have most of those. I can just tell you that it's still not working with Nintendo DS, also not working with Nintendo Wii. So, sorry guys. See you next time, subscribe, comment and thumbs up please. See ya.